Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best wire fishing tool is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any electrician's or DIY enthusiast's arsenal. Whether you're running wires through walls, ceilings, or conduits, this tool can save you time, effort, and a whole lot of frustration. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wire fishing tools, exploring their features, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Klein Tools 56331 50-foot fish tape. This fish tape is made with durable 1/8-inch wide steel. It's firm yet flexible, perfect for pulling large wires. The design ensures it can withstand tough jobs. The housing is designed to decrease the effort needed to pull the tape out. The handle's slip-resistant design improves winding power, making your work easier. The multi-position handle gives you a firm and steady grip. This allows you to maintain control as you pull the tape from the case. It features descending laser-etched markings in 1-foot increments. These easy-to-read marks help you measure conduit runs and the remaining tape accurately. This product is made in the US with global components. It's built to last and designed to meet your needs. The polypropylene case and handle offer high impact resistance. This ensures that it can withstand the rigors of the job site. What we like. This Klein Tools fish tape features a durable steel tape, perfect for those tough pulls. The optimized housing design reduces payout effort, making your job easier. With easy-to-read markings, you can accurately measure conduit runs. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient tool for professional electrical work, this is the one for you. What people say. The 50-foot steel wire puller is sturdy and flexible, easily navigating through tight corners and long runs without any hassle. The double loop tip was perfect for grabbing and pulling the Ethernet cables without snagging, and I really appreciated the optimized housing. It kept the tape neatly coiled and easy to handle, even during longer projects. Real wind makes it easy. Does the job when retracted is compact enough. The loop at the tip is strong and won't bend open during tougher cable pulls. Number 4. RamPro 50-foot fish tape wire puller. Introducing the RamPro fish tape, a must-have tool for any electrician or DIY enthusiast. This tool makes pulling wires through walls and conduits a breeze. Made with firm yet flexible steel, it's designed to handle large wires with ease. This wire fishing tool is built to last, enduring daily use. The improved comfort grip handle and thumb lock make it easy to pull wires without tangling. It provides a secure grip for efficient use. Perfect for running wires through ceilings, walls, and conduits. It's the ideal solution for both interior and exterior wire installations. This wire puller is a must-have for electricians, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. Don't start your next project without it. What we like. The RamPro fish tape is built to last, with a durable construction that can withstand daily use. It features a comfort grip handle and thumb lock for easy wire pulling without tangles. This tool is a must-have for electricians, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. If you're working on a project that requires running wires through walls or ceilings, this fish tape will make the job a breeze. What people say. It's flexible enough to get through tight spots and the steel feels sturdy. The double loop tip makes it easy to pull wires through walls, ceilings, and tight spaces. I pulled a fiber optic cable, sheathed in a 1/8-inch cover, through the chase with no difficulty whatsoever. Number 3. KOOTANS 11-foot fiberglass wire pulling kit. Introducing the KOOTANS wire pulling kit. This handy tool makes running wires through walls and other tight spaces a breeze. It's designed to simplify your wiring projects. This kit is perfect for various applications, including electrical, network, and HDMI cable installations. You can use it in attics, conduits, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your wiring needs. Made with strong and flexible fiberglass, the rods offer excellent insulation and durability. The low-friction design allows it to glide easily through conduits. Just be careful not to bend it too much. Each rod is 1.1 feet long, and can be connected to reach up to 11 feet. The kit includes multiple accessories for different tasks. It's designed to work in narrow areas. The bright yellow rods are easy to spot, and the kit comes with a convenient storage case. The case keeps everything organized and protected. It's a great kit to have on hand. What we like. KOOTANS offers a flexible fiberglass rod kit, perfect for navigating tight spaces. The bright yellow rods are highly visible, making them easy to locate. The kit comes with convenient storage, keeping everything tidy. If you have to run wires through walls, attics, or other difficult-to-reach areas, this kit's flexibility and visibility will be a game-changer. What people say. This one was my go-to tool for the vast majority of my cable running. Since I had to do this job solo, it was a real help in retrieving cables that I had tossed in plenum area above the ceiling using its modular length and hook attachment features. I tried pushing it from the top, but the angle against the joist above the ceiling made it rip the vapor barrier and go behind the insulation, so I thought, bummer. On a whim I pushed it up, where the flexible segments would be less stressed, improving the angle of penetration, and pushed and stop, it hit something. By far the easiest way to fish a network cable. Made short work of challenging cable runs. Number 2. 14-foot fiberglass electrical wire cable glow rods kit. Tired of struggling with electrical wiring? This kit makes the job a breeze. It helps you easily pull wires through walls, ceilings, and floors. With a 14-foot reach, it gets to those hard-to-access areas. This tool is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Made with durable fiberglass, it's built to last. It's flexible yet strong, ensuring it can handle various tasks. The kit comes with 8 different attachments for versatility. These attachments allow it to adapt to different situations and needs. It includes everything you need for wire pulling. This comprehensive kit simplifies your electrical work, saving you time and effort. What we like. This kit includes fiberglass rods and multiple attachments for various tasks. It is designed for easy use, making wire pulling a simple process. If you are looking for a versatile and user-friendly wire pulling solution, this kit will be a great choice. What people say. The fiberglass rods glow for enhanced visibility in tight spaces, ensuring a smooth, efficient wire installation process. This electrical kit includes 8 different attachments and a fish tape wire puller, making it perfect for any electrical project. The rods have just enough flex to move around, but will still push right through insulation. Number 1. Klein Tools 80051 Wire Puller Kit. This is a complete, high-performance kit. It offers great convenience and value for your needs. You'll find it's a smart buy. This kit includes a magnetic wire puller, made in the USA. It's designed to help you easily fish wires behind finished walls. It makes the job much easier. The kit uses powerful rare earth magnets. These provide a strong hold, making wire and cable pulling simple. It ensures a secure grip. The magnetic handheld unit helps reduce marks on finished walls. This feature protects your walls during the process. It keeps your walls looking great. The handle pivots 180 degrees, providing easy control. This allows for better maneuverability in tight spaces. It makes the job much more manageable. The kit includes durable mid-flex glow rods that assemble up to 30 feet. This allows you to reach further. It's perfect for various applications. The protective splinter guard coating protects your hands. It prevents fiberglass splinters. This ensures your safety while working. What we like. This Klein Tools kit includes a magnetic wire puller and a glow fish rod for maximum convenience. The magnetic puller reduces marks on finished walls. The protective coating protects your hands from fiberglass splinters. If you like a complete, high-performance kit that offers convenience and value, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The wire is stiff enough to push through tight spaces, yet flexible enough to make turns. The magnet is strong enough to pull the wire through the wall. The LED light is bright enough to see in the dark. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.